hanggang ngayon, I mean, lumabas na yung Mega Man 11, the fight still goes on. So, parang ang pinaka-major question ko ngayon dito is when it's gonna stop. And then, second is... Hindi, I'm sure there is a conclusion to the series.
Gusto mo
Like
tapusin
everything
ka?
is. Hindi, na-curious lang ako kung ano ang magiging conclusion nito. So,
Ano pa rin kasi, it's still Dr. Wily, di ba yung kalaban? Like, even up to
Dr.
now.
Wily.
Yeah, it's the same
Dr.
thing.
Wily pa rin.
Yeah, it's like
So-
Sonic the Hedgehog. Kailan ba matatapos yung pagtakbo ni Sonic at pupupo na lang? Parang ganun yun.
Mike,
Parang ganun
may
yung
tatanong
question.
lang ako, Mike. Nag-cheat ka din ba habang naglalaro ng Mega Man?
Password. Password na lang siya.
Nag-password ka din ba?
No! Again, to those who are curious, yung Mega Man kasi started na may password yung sa 2 na. Sa 1 kasi
Right.
wala eh. So,
Ang
you have
hirap
to
ng
play
password
it
dun kasi
Wala, wala save.
numerical digits.
Oo.
Walang
So,
You have to write it down. You have to write it down.